Gesundheit. Shut up.
Bakugou, I didn't know you had such a cute little sneeze.
It's not cute. It sounded like a kitten.
Hiroshima, did you know about this?
Yeah, and you told me not to tell anyone.
It's a manly sneeze, bro. Kinda funny to think that the angriest and flashiest person in our class can make such a cute little sound.
Very ironic.
We shouldn't be making fun of our classmates like this. But I am confused as to how the building didn't blow up.
Yeah, I always thought when Bakugou sneezed, there would be like this big explosion.
I used to think so too, but turns out this is one of the calmer things about Kachan.
Said shut up, Deku.
Don't be so embarrassed, Bakugou. It was a great way to find out that you're not always so aggressive. Mr. Aizawa, can you please tell them to get back to work?
I don't care what they do, just as long as they're not bothering me.
Relax, Bakugou, it's just a sneeze, okay?
I think it balances out your personality nicely.
This is the best day of my life.